Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. 80 feet of breathtaking, private Gull Lake frontage in the Cinosam Club Area. One of the most affordable properties with perfect elevation on prestigious Gull Lake. Panoramic westerly views from the attached deck over the boathouse. Features 2 bedrooms, a remodeled modern bathroom, open floor plan, a wall of windows with phenomenal views, a spacious living room with fireplace, steel siding, and a deep well. All of this is packed into a cozy setting that needs that special touch to make it your own. The deep lot offers a 24 by 24 detached garage and shed for the extras, with a cabin approximately 40 feet from the water. Conveniently located between Brainerd and Nisswa, this charming property has lakeshore fun written all over it.